You talk to customers and they show you a presentation of what their drug is going to do, what issue it's going to address, where there was just no alternative. You really are actually touching patients' lives.
To realize every day that my little piece impacts the greater good for humanity.
That is tremendously rewarding.
For some people, it's a miracle.
Any drug that we manufacture here, that drug can be sold to one of my friend or my kids.
My name is Barb Koharchak.
Jim Hopkins.
I'm Chandra Akula,
Vice President of API Manufacturing.
I'm Tara Snyder, Quality Control Director. We're a large-scale manufacturer of active pharmaceutical ingredients.
Some of our batches can be as small as 4 grams. Some of our batches are as high as 360 kilos.
The Rensselaer site really tries to focus on challenging molecules, difficult targets. But when it comes to high potency APIs, we've had programs that have gone all the way down to 0.01 micrograms per cubic meter.
What it allows us to do is we can essentially take any compound you can possibly come up with, and we will have the ability to manufacture it.
And that really gives us an added advantage because we can go in and develop a lot of cancer drugs that a lot of organizations cannot do because they don't have the right safety equipment, they don't have the right manufacturing suites.
We have a building that is a high potency building only. Okay, it's set up for work with high potency material, cytotoxic, anti-cancer drugs. We have suites that we can start with small scale and go all the way to multi-kilo.
We have 3 suites within the building. They're all highly configurable, where we can completely dismantle an equipment train and build it to whatever the process calls for.
We can be manufacturing small scale operations upstairs, anywhere from 1 gram to 5 kilos, anywhere from 5 kilos to 15 kilos. And then on our suites downstairs, we can manufacture anywhere up to 90 kilos.
We have the flexibility here to really customize each equipment train to the process as needed.
We would see a manufacturing process in its infancy that could be created in the gram scale. And we would work on that, moving that up. When we see it go to the kilo scale, we know on our side that, hey, we've got some success here. Maybe we're helping more people.
Most of the stuff that's coming here is just coming out of development.
We often are working on difficult programs that have a lot of technical challenge, ones that are not yet fully elaborated. And so having the technical know-how, the analytical, the manufacturing support, engineering in order to manage those programs really gives Curia an edge.
We have multiple benefits of automation. These are high potent areas. Everything is done within an isolator. So you have to have these controls and some automated processes so that the material handling happens safely and automatically with minimum operator interface.
Whether it's increasing yields or decreasing cycle time, our multidisciplinary team of process chemists, engineers, production managers, and analytical chemists is constantly reviewing our products in order to find the bottleneck.
We learn a lot about the process and the product itself. We try to collect as much data as possible, and these data points help us to improve the process.
We develop creative solutions where we can bring those improvements but not require any changes to our regulatory dossiers filed by our customers. For HPAPIs, this rigorous review includes industrial hygiene and process safety in order to improve products that were often rushed to market in order to maximize benefit to the patients.
There is a lot of experience with this group. We're experienced in the handling of the compounds, we're experienced with the equipment, we're experienced on packaging, we're experienced on labeling, how to move material through the system.
We do have a high potency suite within the QC lab. We test raw materials, we do in-process testing. We also test isolated intermediates, and then we finish the product.
We have years of experience looking at a wide variety of molecules. So I think we take the approach where we listen to clients' feedback, but we also have the ability to provide, that technical support to the client.
These are high-tech reactions. We do the chemistry that other people are afraid of. We have to keep training our people to do the best and in a GMP way. After all, we're making life-saving drugs.
The variety of chemistry, the scale of chemistry, the type of equipment we're operating with. Because we're contract manufacturers, there's a huge variety of chemistry. There's a lot of knowledge here that's been gained over the time.
You really have the organization that can follow your process all the way through from beginning to end. We have the breadth of experience from small molecule development all the way through to finished product.
We have a subject matter expert for all of the aspects of our production, be it engineers, scientists, chemists, safety.
We have been awarded SafeBridge's industry leader to manage high potency pharmaceuticals.
It's a biannual certification, so they look at all our facilities. Are you training your associates? Are you performing all your industrial hygiene? They talk to employees. It's a very extensive review.
Curia is the first organization to be given that SafeBridge industry leader qualification, and it required us to show that we are safe, we are mindful of the environment, and we can do it from a quality perspective.
It's knowing that your procedures require everybody to be cognizant, aware, and on their game about highly potent materials. Whether it's the characterization team that's doing the original assessment, the training for our operators, the QC team, QA, manufacturing.
The people who work here are invested in the work that we do. This team is dedicated to quality. They're dedicated to safety.
And the certifications really prove that it is a holistic view on highly potent APIs. Curia cares the most about it from a company perspective.